Hello, or welcome to the workshop videos of our AST subject. In this video, we will introduce the DevOps pipeline and some key concepts in error pipelines. So a pipeline defines a continuous integration process for the software development. And the key idea of pipeline is actually automation. So in our subject, we recommend you to use these Microsoft Azure pipelines to actually implement your software development pipeline in your project. So Azure pipelines, generally speaking, it's a cloud-based service, so you don't have to install this service on your own laptop, and then you can use it to automatically build, test, and deploy your project. The most convenient way is to deploy your project to Microsoft Azure, but you can also deploy to other different environments like AWS or other containers, whatever. And you can also make it available to other users very easily by adding users to your project, adding users to your pipeline setups, and it works with just about any language or project type. You can use Java, JavaScript, C#, Python, etc. Okay, very convenient, and you can actually implement the methodologies we have learned, and we will learn in this subject, including the automated testing, CI and CD, and also code flow, etc., into this pipeline DevOps. Azure pipeline DevOps. Okay. This slide shows you the key concepts of Azure pipelines. You probably need to understand all these key terms before you start to work with Azure pipelines. So there are four major components in these Azure pipelines. The first one is a trigger. So a trigger is basically a code change or something else which can tell the pipeline to run, and then once there is a trigger, the job is sent to the pipeline, and the pipeline is made up of one or more stages. You can define the build stage, the test stage, and deployment stage, and then it can deploy to one or more environments, and then each stage there are multiple jobs. You can organize different jobs in the same stage, and each stage have one or more jobs. And also we have something called the agent. You can image it as a virtual machine with all the required running environment for your project, and each job will run on one agent. It doesn't have to be one physical machine. It can be just a virtual environment. And sometimes a job can also be agentless. It's something most of the cloud service are currently trying to persuade users to use. It means that you don't have to worry about the physical machine or even virtual machine. You just need to know that you need some computational resources and storage resources, and the cloud service provider will take care of all the jobs. You don't need to worry about the environment. And then a step, there are multiple steps for each job. A step can be a task or just a script, very simple script, and is the smallest building block of a pipeline. So you can define a small auto test task in a script, and this will be a task in one step. Okay, and then a task is a pre-packaged script that performs an action, such as invoking a REST API or publishing a build artifact. Finally, after running all these steps, stages, pipelines, the outcome or the output of this pipeline will generally be a collection of files or packages, or some publications, some new deployment. The final term, important term here is an artifact, which is used to mention the collection of files or the packages that you can publish after this run of pipeline. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is end of this short video.